Hello, welcome to Creo Parametric 3.0. Today we are going through the Sketcher module of Creo Parametric 3.0. Hello, today we are going to learn the next two tabs of our Creo sketches. Okay, one next is constraints and after that dimensions. Okay, we know the Creo is parametric, right? So if I draw a line and I got some dimensions over here and it says it fixed by some dimensions. If I want this line to be stay as a vertical or horizontal, then I fix it with it constraints like this. I will keep it horizontal and select the line. It will be horizontal. See, H is highlighted here. It shows that this line has constraint of horizontal line, that it will be stay horizontal. Okay, next is vertical. If I want this line make vertical, then I can make it vertical. Same, I have one line like this and I want to keep these 2 points as a vertical and these 2 points as a horizontal. So this is also possible, right? 2 points can be made a vertical in vertical position and 2 points can be made to horizontal position also. Next is perpendicular. I have one line and that should be perpendicular to this line. See, you will find one more thing, that the dimensions also changes one by one and its size, and some of the dimensions were removed also. It's because you have defined something like that will be perpendicular, horizontal or vertical or perpendicular. That's why it won't need the angles we have defined it. Like if Like if I remove this, I want to remove this dimension, then I have to make this horizontal or vertical. Okay, but now right now I can't do that. Okay, next is tangent. Tangent is possible to circular part or arc. Okay, if I want this to tangent, then I select tangent, select circle and edge. So that will make it tangent, right? Then midpoint. I want this point to this line's midpoint. Okay. See, M is noted here. That says that is at midpoint. There is a midpoint constraint, and T that also says that there is a tangent constraint to this circle. Next is coincident. I want this point and this point. Coincident. This is CAD's Resolve Manager when your two or three constraints or relations are strike together or make conflict. So to remove this conflict, I have to choose which I want to keep or which I want to remove. If I remove this horizontal or vertical, then there will be coincident. Okay, so we have learned 6 of these constraints, and next is symmetric. For symmetric, I have to make a center line over here. Now I am drawing a rectangle, right? Now if I want this rectangle is equally divide between these two center line, then I choose symmetric select the center line and two vertices. So the two vertices and center line are being made to symmetric. Okay, this point and this point have equal distance. Now if I want these 2 points to be symmetric, then I need a center line horizontal here. Okay, go to symmetric, select the center line and two vertices. See, something is noted here. Select the center line and two vertices to make them symmetric. Symmetric means the distance from center line to this side and center line to this side will be equal. Okay, so you don't need to dimension. You don't need the second dimensions we have. See, this distance defines the distance from reference, and this distance is total. Total I apply 400, and this distance will be 200. So this will automatically make it symmetric, and it's symmetric by dimension. Okay, so this is how we can use dimension, and this is how we can use parameters or constraints. Next is equal. Okay, let's delete the things. Draw a circle. Draw another circle. Draw a line. Okay, now equal. This circle and this circle should be equal. Now this circle and line should be equal. It's not possible, but if we have to make it possible, then provide its diameter. Now go to equal. This and this should be equal. So now if I change this diameter to 500, it will also change the length of your line. It will be also a 500. So with equal, you can equal your geometries or make equal your dimensions also. Okay, next is simple. So simple. Parallel. One line and second line. First line and second line. So that goes, each of line will be stay parallel to each other. That is the use of parallel. Okay, now we know how to execute this all the constraints, right? But what is the point of using this constraint and dimension? Thank you.